capsicum is popular across continents. However, every region has its own version, and what I'm going to make today is my take on this recipe. I'm going to start with making the filling first. So heat some oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, I'm going to add the onions. Just cook the onions for a few seconds. Finely chopped garlic. Finely chopped green chilies. Finely chopped and deseeded tomatoes. Finely chopped boiled potatoes. Finely chopped paneer. If you don't have paneer, you can only make the filling with potatoes, that's fine as well. And you can also add in some corn or even some colored bell peppers finely chopped. Black olives. And time for the seasoning ingredients. Red chilli powder. Red chilli sauce. Just a little bit of sugar, some dried oregano, coriander leaves, and a little bit of salt. This filling is ready, and now I'm going to turn off the flame and let it cool down for like 5 minutes. While the filling is cooling down, I'm going to chop up the capsicums. So take medium-sized capsicums, chop it up into half, and now I'm just going to deseed this. So you get a nice capsicum cup basically. So in this way, just chop up all your bell peppers. The capsicums are nicely cleaned up and the filling is cooled down a little bit. And now I'm going to add some mozzarella into the filling. Mix it well. And now I'm going to fill this filling in the capsicum cups. The filling should be in the level of the capsicums. And now I'm going to garnish it with a little bit of mozzarella. And now I'm going to place these capsicums on a baking tray and bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. And now these are ready to go in the oven. These are beautifully baked and you can see the beautiful cheese melting all over the capsicum. And they are ready to serve. Serve it as an appetizer or even as a side dish with your main course. Let me know your experiment with this recipe in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.